Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R6515. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today. Just a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R6515. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, we'll top in. This video will be specifically dedicated to power supplies. There are only two sizes of power supplies. You have your 550 watt and your 750 watt. The 750 watt is the ideal one for a 240 volt connection at your data center, and that's about it. The other thing I would say that you need to make sure is that you have the same power supply in your system. You can't mix the 550 with the 750. It just simply won't work, and you could potentially blow one. So you just want to make sure that you have both the same power supplies. It's pretty simple overall. And if you need to have a power supply overnighted, that is something that we can help you out with. We do keep these in stock, so feel free to reach out to our team if that is something that you need. And now what we're going to do is show you how to actually install them. All right, I have my ESD gear on, so we are safe to work on our server. So let's just say that our first power supply went bad and we needed to replace it. So how do I replace it? Well, first off, you need to make sure, as we mentioned earlier, you match up the same power supply. So in this case, there's a 550 and a 750. You wouldn't want to put, a 750 in to replace a 550. You'll run into an issue. So just make sure, for starters, that you get another 550 to be able to replace your current one. So to remove this, it's super easy. You're just going to push this orange clip in. And when you do that, at the same time, you're going to pull this out. So just push this in and pull it out. And because it is hot swap, it'll just slide out. Double check that it's the 550, everything is the same, so I know I'm replacing it with the exact same power supply. You might need to push this a little bit, or when you push it in, it'll just pop in itself. But that's how you know it's fully in, is you'll see this kind of clip up, and now it's locked in and it's secure. Really simple, easy install. And if you have a bad power supply, or you need a power supply overnighted, definitely reach out to our sales team. We can accommodate. We keep a ton of power supplies in stock. Hey, if you made it this far, click that like, smash that subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, we would love the opportunity to win your data center, your home labs of business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.